Yo, what's up guys? Chris says BT again. Welcome to my channel. As you guys can see and hear, it is raining today. I don't know what's going on with Fresno. Fresno has been on one this year, 2019. It is already May 19 and it is still raining. Last week or the week before that, it was already in the high 90s. It was already starting to get dry and hot. I don't know why the rain came back, but it's back. Maybe the end of the world is coming. I do not know. But here's the Shelby sitting in the rain. I know rain isn't really optimal for car content, but we are gonna go out and get some. We're gonna meet up with the guys right now. I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned. It should be a good one. So there's water flooding everywhere. I'm pretty sure some neighborhoods are worse. Mine never gets too bad, but you can see it's a lot of water. We're gonna drive real slow and careful. We're in the parking garage looking for everyone. Let's see if we find them. So far we ran into two cars, the 50th anniversary Camaro SS and 5.0. Not sure if they were with the people or not, or coming for that meet, but I'm gonna go ask them. So it turns out I already know this guy. He had a 5.0, but you got rid of it, huh? Yeah. Oh man, you missing it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. So right here we got my 14 GT500, the 17 Camaro SS 50-year edition. Is it a Camaro 2SS or one? 2SS. 2SS? Okay, so it's the 2SS. Right here we got the 5.0. It's a 2017 S550. It has the front lip splitter. It has the RTR lights. He changed the Coyote emblem right there. It had the stripes on it when he got it. Ya tenía el decal también? Yeah, so it had the decal. The rims it had 5.0 decal on there. That's actually pretty cool. Los tips son Roush, ¿verdad? Yeah. ¿Y eso se los pusiste? ¿Se los pusiste tú? Yeah, so he put the Roush tips on there. ¿Es catback or axle? Axle back. Axle back? Okay, yeah, and it has a X pipe. And yours? Have you put anything yet, or just Borla axle backs? So he had the 5.0, but he traded in for this. And mine, you guys know, all stock except the off-road X pipe and the Corsas. Alex and Ish are pulling up. Ish! Ish! He was looking for me. Yo! Alex! We're in the one right below. Where's Ish? You lost him?
No, he's behind me.
He wasn't.
He never came?
No. Oh, or not. You're good. No, that's doing the most. I'll meet you down there. There you are. What's up, Alex? What's up, bro?
Hey, bro.
My man Gopi, Kyle was good, bro.
What's up?
Where you guys gonna park at? Right there. We out here on top of the parking garage. We've been just chilling for a little bit. Got the Mustang speaker, ruby red. I've been having this since I had the 5.0. What do you think compared to the Cobra?
Yeah, I'm gonna trade it in for and get rid of the Cobra because this is where I belong. These are my roots.
Your roots? Jeanette, where are we at? Out here at Chicken Shack. It's Ish, Alex's first time. Yep. What do you guys think?
Pretty good. The sauce is really good.
Yeah. Dope. Got some buffalo fries and some wings.
Stay where you are. What's up, guys? I'm on Chris SVT's vlog. G7X gang.
What's up?
So we just finished up the... We're gonna head home right now. And then I think we might do an install on someone's whip. You guys will see that in a little bit.
Is it carbon fiber?
Yeah, it is carbon fiber. Yeah.
Woo! You gotta put some
It's like 400 bucks. She already got it ceramic coated.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Oh, dope.
So we'll see you guys there, and then we'll get some rolling shots on the way home. God damn! Yo. Hey, the Shelby is stupid loud. Hey, GT500 races me on the street, yo. Hey, she looks good right there. That's good lighting. Shout out to Alex SVT. Go follow me on YouTube. God damn.
We are installing this carbon fiber lip
Oh no, I got it.
on this STI.
This way.
It looks so good.
With the rain.
You're gonna be in love with it once it sees the sun.
Yeah, it's gonna look pretty.
Hey, once I actually wash the...
Alright, King.
I gotta move my car.
What do you think, Alex? Subaru now?
Eh. Could be the move. I don't know. I gotta drive on the scene.
King! King said,
Next video?
Yeah,
Drive
next
it, but it
video.
won't be as fast compared to yours.
I know. I want to see how it